Welcome to this video on the architecture of control, a technical office in a box, presented by HZ Studio. This video details how to transform your firm from an unpredictable environment into a mathematically sound, Tier 1 technical office. We focus on engineering predictability by addressing issues like disorganized data and subjective hiring, with 6 governed modules, mathematical talent scores, and absolute data security. We transition from the legacy approach of subjective interviews, open networks, and ad hoc tracking to the HZS system, featuring mathematical scorecards, permission-locked hierarchies, and automated logic tracking. The architecture of control functions as a machine with 4 layers. These layers are built upon 6 modules, starting with deployment and onboarding, and ending with operations and enforcement. The foundation is a 48-hour live deployment. Module 0 establishes the immediate action framework, allowing system deployment without halting technical work. This includes sequential initialization and legacy CDE mapping. Module 1 focuses on eliminating subjective bias by defining accountability-driven profiles for 11 technical roles. Automated interview scorecards use a mathematical matrix to issue an absolute hire/reject grade. The mathematics of performance are based on technical output, 45%, quality and time management, 35%, and attitude and discipline, 20%. The KPI evaluation engine governs all promotion and probation decisions. The digital skeleton, Module 2, provides infrastructure to restrict unauthorized access and eliminate lost files. It includes a standardized route and a permissions matrix for exact read/write/admin access. The zero data loss architecture ensures ultimate server security and baseline workstation hardware requirements. Automated backup and disaster recovery protocols ensure the preservation of work against failures or cyber threats. Module 3, the core logic, Project DNA, prevents misnamed files using a universal project coding system. This includes segments for company, department, process, project, stage, type, discipline, sequence, and revision. The master log suite includes auto-generation of the 9-segment ID and unified tracking for MSS, RFI log, and transmittal log. Algorithmic accountability tracks consultant return delays to protect commercial claims. Module 4 establishes governed pathways, dictating rules for external correspondence and design development. This includes the solution-based RFI protocol and drawing LOD standards. Enforcement and operations, Module 5, utilizes a monthly TOM audit for folder discipline and naming integrity. Subcontractor onboarding involves legally binding standards attached to external contracts. The lifecycle of a document progresses from being initiated by the engineer, saved into a permission-locked directory, coded with the 9-segment syntax, audited for compliance, and finally submitted using a form. The final output is absolute governance, achieved through a rigorous project closeout and archiving procedure. This includes exporting all project metadata with perfect fidelity and freezing the active server to cement the historical record. The goal is to deliver a flawlessly structured as-built and handover package to the client.